On today's episode of What's Broken in the Shop, we're going to replace the door handle on a 2010 GMC 3/4 ton pickup. Apparently it's a big deal that the inner door handles break, like seems to be the GM thing since the 90s. And we got a Dorman kit here, and I'm going to show you how to replace it. First thing we're going to do is take a pick and pop this guy out right here. Ooh, that one's got RTV on it. Not a good sign. Somebody's been in here. And then that guy is supposed to slide off nicely. We'll see where this leads us. I'm going to go ahead and put him on the seat. Next thing we're going to take out is this panel right here. And then this guy right here. And then finally, this guy right here comes off as well. Now we're going to remove the screws that hold the panel on. That's going to give us access to pop off this door switch here. Try not to drop him inside the door. Perfect. Hit the ground. Now this guy can come off of here straight up the way I remember it. And then we got some connectors to disconnect. I'm going to be real honest and tell you the truth. I set the camera down and used two hands and got at all the clips for these connectors with a screwdriver and two hands. But we're going to take this one, pop it out. Same for this guy. And this guy. Sorry, try not to Blair Witch Project you too much here. And this guy here. That one's a little green. Look at that. St. Patty's Day connector right there. Try and clean him up with some dielectric grease before I put it back together. And you should have the whole switch panel here. Last screw here. And those are all the screws that hold the door panel on. Next, we're going to take our interior prying tool. And we're going to work our way around the edges here, all the way along the bottom and the sides, and get her pried loose. There's some of those Christmas tree clips inside of here. Ooh, door treasure's falling out. Door looks loose. Hey, bracket fell out of somewhere. And then go ahead. And this is when you find out that this thing's in your way. So we got to pop him off too. This guy comes off pretty easy here. Just 3 of those push clips like that. Lift. And we've got just the latch wire here, latch cable. And we're going to get this panel flipped upside down and get you guys a good view of how this works. See if we can focus. Needle nose works pretty good at this too. Pop this guy out. Bring the cable through the hole. And then up out of there. Now we got a door panel that we can deal with. Here we are back on the welding table / spray booth that you might remember me from such films as Farmer Tan, Stop the Bleeding, and Hey Al, quit welding your name into my welding table. So here we go. Do a little pilot hole here. Next thing we're going to do is pry that little clip out of there so that we can take that rod out of there. There we go. Minor victory. And then we got to get that guy out of there. I dug the flathead down in there, and now we'll try and pop him out. And the rest of it pops off. Handle side is done. Back here on the back side of the door, we're going to take the new handle assembly and drop it into place. That should leave us with our new part sticking through the hole like that. We're going to take our new metal part and slide it right over the handle here. I'm going to support this on the back side. Try and hold it best I can. Get the handle ready so this pin can slide up the ramp and then kind of pop it on there. And that guy should fit down into a slot. Like that. So we've got our new handle in place. Now the goal here is we're going to take some of the supplied screws and washers. We're going to drive them into these holes here. There's 6 of them. And it's just a little tiny self-tapper into some plastic holes. So we want to go real careful. I don't generally use the impact driver when I do this. Here we are ready to put the door panel back on the door. I'm going to try this one-handed this time. Slide the cable in, and then stretch the cable, and then get them snapped in right there. All right. Now we can feed our door switch wires through, and then tip our panel up. Next, as promised, I'm going to put a little dielectric on these guys. We're going to put that switch in. Door grab handle can go next. Then the 2 underneath the grab handle here. And then this guy here. And then we got to get this guy right here. Next, we got to put covers on. Wrong way. Puppy dog wants to visit. Say hi to Murphy. My nice clean door handle. Can you tell that I'm a mechanic sometimes, or at least I play one on YouTube on occasion? Look at that grease. My wife would be angry. All right, now we're going to put the door lock on. And then slide the clip in that's previously full of RTV and see if she holds. So far, so good. Well, there you have it. That's all the parts back on the door, and the door handle works. Well, that's all we have for the door handle project today. I'm sure you guys have enjoyed watching all of my shenanigans. I would appreciate if you would subscribe. Make sure to like or comment below if you'd like to see any other projects get done. Thanks. We'll see you later.